Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do some crushed glass mirror. We're going to make it and we're going to put some color in it. And this is a Dollar Tree DIY. Now I'm not going to talk a lot in this video because it's a lot of repetition, but I did want you to see the process. It isn't a simple 1, 2, 3 process and you're finished. You have to work at it. So if you want to see how I make this, then just continue to watch. In making mine, I'm going to use several different things. I'm going to use this Dollar Tree thin mirror. I'm going to use some thick mirror that came from Lowe's. I'm going to use some paint. I am going to use glitter, Mod Podge, and I'm going to use some of. So you may have seen this process before, but I'm going to go over it again, and maybe I've done something a little different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the Dollar Tree glass pieces inside a baking pan, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven, and I'm going to bake them on, I think, like 475 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then once I do that, I'm going to take the pot out very carefully, or the pan, and I'm going to run it up under some cold water. And when I do that, you're going to actually hear the mirrors breaking, the glass breaking. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's broken. Correction, 30 minutes. Okay guys, and you're going to actually hear it sizzle when when it hits the cold water. And that is the glass, as I said, cracking open. And then once I finish with the cracking of the glass, we're going to put it inside a box, inside of a towel. We're going to be very careful with it. We're going to make sure that no glass shards can get out and actually poke you in the eye or somewhere, something like that. But yes, can you hear it cracking? I think that is so neat. But yeah guys, so I'm not going to talk that much during this video because, like I said, it's a lot of repetition, but I did want you to see how much work goes into actually making this. We're going to make some kind that Z Gallery makes, a dupe for Z Galleries, and we're going to make a dupe for Michael's. So you'll be able to see how I do both of them, of mine, and you'll be able to see how you can add color in it if you don't have color rocks. And fam, if you don't understand something or you have questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget, today is the last day for the giveaway. You can like this video, you can go like my granddaughter's video, you can leave a comment down below, and you have to be subscribed to this channel and to my granddaughter's channel. And good luck to everyone. We're giving away a used Cricut Mini. It's in mint condition. I barely used it. We're going to give you some accessories to go with it and get you on your way to making some extra money in your home. And also guys, I want you to know that I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. I am in the process of working on some things for the channel, and I hope you feel free to keep a lookout for. Please guys, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it means the world to me, and you will be a part of a family that cares. We pray for each other, we talk, we laugh. We go live every Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we still will be doing that tonight. This is just a bonus video for you guys. So enjoy, and I love you. and I see you at 7 p.m. tonight.
know that sparkle in there. So you can use all of it. Because you can use the dust like it's German glass glitter. So I'm gonna crack some a little bit, and then gonna go off camera and crack some more. After chopping it down the first time, you got to take all the big ones. Now I'm going through taking all the big pieces out like this one, and go ahead and get it where I can crack those again.